records.
Yeah, you know.
Collabo extraordinaire.
Alright. Shorty.
We're living in serious times. Watch out.
Oh, it's a mad, mad world that we're living in. Gotta keep your heads up high, can't be giving in. Don't you let one day go by without praising the Most High, 'cause it's the only way we ever will survive. It's a mad, mad world that we're living in. What's wrong with us? Gotta keep your heads up high, can't be giving in. Don't you let one day go by without praising the Most High, 'cause it's the only way we ever will survive.
Rough life, no crime, youth, them had a hard time. No guides, no sign, walking on a thin line. Sentence, no trial, victim of a profile. No hope, more fight, wonder why we hostile. Cause profit, make profit, focused on their pocket. White collar, boss, started door hoping, can't lock it. Politics, politics, equal economic tricks. Death toll rising, cess commercializing, barely surviving, future jeopardizing, no compromising, hope paralyzing, rules need revising, why is it surprising?
Got to eat the warning, see the storms start forming. Not the time for stalling, look around, it's so appalling. It's a mad, mad world that we're living in. Gotta keep your heads up high, can't be giving in. Don't you let one day go by without praising the Most High, 'cause it's the only way we ever will survive. It's a mad, mad world that we're living in. Gotta keep your heads up high, can't be giving in. Don't you let one day go by without praising the Most High, 'cause it's the only way we ever will survive.